Hello. But first video I'm going to upload, brother. Yeah, you could upload the first video. How much money I have from the last video? I'm going to try upload. It's never upload today. How much money? So deep money. The car over the next side over there, so. But this car is a max speed. It's a max up here, so. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look. Up here, so. Oh, right there, so. It's a 4 times 4. And yeah, everything max out, but it actually is slow. It actually is slow. This car, we don't max out it fast. I give people online. I give people online. Miss Total 2. I mean Total 2. What's done random server? God, that's full. Look how this fast. And the other car is a 4 times 4. Slow. Oh, seatbelt, haha. Okay, man, this one stunts. This is my first YouTube video for game, brother. This is my first YouTube video for one game. I'm turning it up, look at it. Oh, no, not. Ah, I'm gonna put it on. Dum. Now go like this. I'll do this. Now I don't know what them do. So much not enough. Oh, she starting it nice. Yeah, it's starting it nice. Oh, you must have a feel this over. I'm not get too fast. No, I'm not going to get too fast. But they feel the first time. I get too fast. Not to press gas number if I turn. No, I press gas. Look at it. Slow down. This is the time I go to our next dimension. Why? Now I'm free time. Oh, me and far. No, get on the side of it. That's some rose 2 stars. Yeah. Why the cat slow to go out there, so? Oh, I forgot if I press gas a little bit. Oh, wow. That was no. Grandma was jump off. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Last time we did this one, we got too fast in my turn. I'm gonna ah, I'm just fly off ram. Let's like a pause the video to read up. Not pause the video. But I'm play this again for hours now. I'm still can't beat this video. Yes. It break sharp. Oh god, man, that's so fast. We gotta go more on this bit. I would have. It's not really coming on yet. I tell you, I'm really coming on yet. Now, I'm a crackhead. Ah! Oh! It was not a ram. Oh my god. Why we do that? Six minutes. I'm just 2 stars already. I can't believe the 3rd star, but I can't. Even if my dad again, I can't use the 3rd star. What's it going to say? I'm not gonna get no stars. Oh, why? See, finish line there, right there, so. Finish line there, right there, so. Now full speed. Mega full speed, I should have said that. Oh god, I forgot to turn. Why I forgot to turn? I said, if my best on farm breaks. Look how long it takes for me to draw. I said, let's do this. Okay, I must go all the way back. I'm see the road down there, so. Boots. Boom. This way. If you go down this way, I lose points. And get less more money. I only have over $1 million. But they're not sure. I don't know why. Not sure, bro. Take a road like may I look back at me? Why me go so much? Why? Cracking time. Wait. Could I go and do something for underneath with her? Look at that. Bad what we not eat. That's how we just fly every time. May I pause the video a little bit? Hold on. Look at my reach. Right, you know this take there? You look like 1 second for me, dog. This take forever. Look how much money I have. Bruh, 8.3 trillion I said. So I'm just saying over $1 million. I see them gonna buy something I say I'm not cause I'm forget money from me even. Cause the parking we're not paying that really. Lucky for people them have extra room. Some can join. Yeah. Finally. What? Oh, seatbelt. You can see them now. But my go this away. Then probably go this away. This game don't have a map. I'm a car. Oh god, right there. Wrong something. Full speed ahead. My father. Why we can't drive now? Brother. This video gonna be 15 minutes long. 15 minutes. We can go on or something. Almost I can. I go on the easy one. I go on something. So no. Oh, I can buy them. I can buy all of them. Oh, this neat still. This is so good. I can't use it. I can't use this, this. The black. Let's get a black one. I just have hiccups now, brother. Hiccups. Look, you know, let's go level 5 on this. Let's see. Skip. This almost dead. How this almost... So, what? No. Hello, police officers. Stupid in the business. Yeah, come on for you. I have to stop right there so I'm gonna get points. See how that times I will stop. My almost. And the speed limit of 40 and a bunny. You can't move slower in a subreddit. I have me play stunts mode or something. You can't bun. Put in the auto. Not to a drive. It a drive by itself, but me have to turn. Although I buy my flash and it over right here, so. And when I finish this, it off. And go upload it so I'm gonna see it in a couple hours. It's gonna take a couple hours to upload. Just like minutes. No, seconds. Yeah, minutes. But a minute. It's gonna take to upload. Cause last time I upload a video it take 1 hour. It will reverse by itself. Let her drive by itself again. Why is this turning outside? It gonna take 1 minute to upload this video. Now that I'm done this. Go. When I'm done this, I upload. When I'm finished with this. That reason when I stop and I know me a drive. And now I move from stop. See the P. I need to drive myself soon. Okay, later, guys. Bye, boy. I'm gonna see you in something.